Why'd it get so dark all of a sudden? What the... Oh, hey, Nezuko. Head pats. Alright, what... Oh, my... Ha! Maybe... What the... How is... How do I even... How is there... What... How is this even possible? Do you know how this is happening? Where are the girls at? Deku! I think we need to call the girls and bring them over here. Oh, that's bad. What's going on, Kanchan? Stop calling me that. Oh, now you know how I feel when you call me Deku. Anyway, look at all that rain. Did you call the girls? Yeah, I did. And, oh, wait, hold up. Head pats. Yeah, this is bad out there. Yes, horrible. It's crazy. How are we gonna survive in this rain?